Hello guys, so today we are going to learn how to boost your computer or PC performance by cleaning the junk files and RAM cache on your PC. So let's get started. So press the Windows key plus R button or right click on the Windows icon and click run. So a dialog box on run will appear here. So now you have to type prefetch here prefetch and hit OK and delete all the files, sketch files stored here. So some files are open in main system, so they cannot be deleted. Just skip it. Skip. Once again, Windows plus R. Type temp and hit OK and delete all the files. Yes. Just skip the files. Yes. Skip. OK. Again Windows plus R and type percentage sign plus temp. Yes. And delete all the files. Yes. Just skip. Yes. Skip. Yes. So now Windows plus R and then clean MGR. So now we are going to uh, clean your disk. So first matter is to type clean MGR here. Clean MGR or type here disk cleanup. So here a small dialog box will appear. So you can select the drive you want to clean up, but by default C drive is selected. So click OK and select all the files, sketch files. Or here is the option of clean up system files. You can also do this, but now click OK. Yes, and all the unnecessary files on our machine, on our PC, will be deleted. So by following these all steps, you will see a noticeably a good performance on your PC. Thanks for watching my video.